Hey there, tech savvy friends! If you have ever found yourself wishing you could unsend or remove a CC from an email that's already been sent, you're not alone. Let me show you some tricks to help you clean things up and manage your email. First, open up your Gmail app. Now tap on Compose and add CC. Once you have composed it, you simply need to send it by clicking on the send button. Some email platforms like Gmail offer send undo feature. If you are quick enough, say within 30 seconds you can hit undo and stop that email from sending at all. Just like this, send it and click on undo just like this, and the email is not sent. But if you accidentally send it, there is no other way to unsend it. While there is no direct way to remove a CC after sending, you have got options to manage the fallout and prevent it in the future. If this video helped out, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.